another video. So this video is gonna be a Thomas video, and time to start. Hey Thomas, wake up. Good morning. Anyway, let's get you fired up because there's gonna be a new engine. A new engine? Yep. So I'm gonna hop in your cab and we can get started. The driver hopped into Thomas' cab. Then Thomas started to move. He made his way onto the turntable, rotated onto the track, and then continued. Some other engine will be coming, Thomas. Oh, okay. A few, Thomas and Tim came. But then Hero also came. And then Thomas, Tim, and Hero came. Did you come to meet the new engine? Tim? Yeah, what about you, Hero? Yes, we all coming for the same reason. At the engine puffed and puffed. Hey, what new engine do you think he will be? I don't know. Oh no. Come on, let's get there faster. Hey, wait up! They jumped past the sign. And then they went to the dots. To the dots. All of the engines rolled up. All of the engine rolled up. And then some train will. Well, then some engine won. Hello. Are you one engine or two? I think what it one. That's my code. Welcome to the island of Sodor. Where exactly are we? Oh, where are you? What country is the island of Sodor in? It's in Britain. The coat is unloaded. Hi, so my name is, wait, hold on, what? My name is George. George? Yeah, George. Anyway, so yeah. Oh, okay, nice to meet you, George. My name, yeah, Thomas, we know, it's you. Wait, what? How do you know my name? Okay, so you have your own TV show and you're in book. Oh, yeah, I think that like. What's your name? My name's Tim, and his name is Hero, or my name is Hero. Master of the railway. They called me back in Japan. Okay, come on. Okay, come on. And the engine, all of the engine chuff back. All of the engine chuff back to the island. With no turn, like to the sand. night, the engine were telling stories. It was Tim's turn to tell a story. Anyway, Tim, what's your story? The engines all waited for Tim to tell his story. Do you know that engine? That engine? Yeah, what about him? I know him. Huh? Wait, what? Huh? I thought he never came to the island. Well, do you know that time you found, do you remember that time you found me? Yeah, when I went to America and then I found you, they thought you were a generator? Yeah, anyways, let me explain. And then they all waited for him to explain. Anyway, so, at my story, I was walking in America. A railway was being built. And then some engine came for passenger. This engine came. Here's a passenger engine. They use these engines in like big cities, so they can as local planes. They were very nice to me. They called me out of date. For example, hey, it's the out of date engine. One day you will retire and all of us diesels will take over. Hey, and you will be sent to the slap yard. And then I said, hey, that will never happen. That won't happen to me. Sure it will. You had all that time. For example, they were not me. There were some other engines there. Two engines to be exact. They were working. They were also working. They didn't really have names at that time. Hey, back. One of the engines said, "Hey, back off." The diesel quickly went away. Hey, what's your name? Tim. Nice to meet you, Tim. Anyways, I don't really have a name. They just called me 105. I looked at him and it said 105. He doesn't have a name too. Yes, me too. I do not have a name. Because we haven't been ported yet, but once the railway is complete, we will. It's many days. Fast forward a few days. Okay, good morning everyone. Some of you will be taking a passenger train. And after that, you're heading back to Britain. Okay, because I wasn't owned by America. I was owned by British Railways. So then I thought it was and then I took a late night flight. I thought it was my coat, but it wasn't. It will teach him. Then quickly, I felt a thought. Hey, what's going on? And then it was yours. This is what you get. And then George started pulling me as hard as he can, pulling me forward. Ah, help! There was a nearby siding, and then George uncoupled at the last sentence, sending me flying. I couldn't stop. My driver and firemen were there. So then I went flying into the sand. I tried to, and then finally I stopped, came to a halt. But then you two found, and then you two find Thomas and Big Boy find me. So yeah, all of the animals shock. Wait, what? So that's how you got there? They thought you were a generator? Yeah, Thomas, they thought it was a generator. Anyways, then the next day came. Oh, all of you. Okay, so all of you continue what you normally do. But for you need to go to Clue. Clue is a place that engines go to be repaired. Because to be repaired and to be restored. Yet so, for the rest of you, Moonlight, Timothy, Thomas, Santa Fe Super Chief, and Mia, do what you usually do. Anyways, so yeah. As he came, wait a minute. He noticed something. Wait, Bigger Boy, what are you doing here? Oh, I came. Anyways, let me back up real quick. They came. Some people wanted to see me on the island of Sodor. They told me to stay like here. Okay, Big Boy is off of the track. But then there was trouble. There was something on the track. He couldn't really make out what it is. But then it was too late. What's that? Stop! Shh. Then he derailed himself on the track. And a boom! Shh. When it frozen happened, turned out it was a landmine. Landmines are bombs they use on land. No one knows where it came from or who put it there. Once he was back on the track, he was took into Clue. He had to go anyways. But he couldn't. So the Clue will come to him. He would put on a signing. But then you see, Big Boy was there last night, listening to his story. Big Boy thought it was someone. It was the engines. So then when it was nighttime again, the engine and the new diesel engine was there. Big Boy came up to it. Huh? What is it? Did you put a landmine on the track? What? No. Who did that? Who would do that? landmine on the track. Then big boy rolled off. It was the next day. Then Tommy driver quickly went up to it. Tommy, wake up! Ah, Cinder and Axes, what was that? Anyways, so you need, okay, turn out the new diesel engine. He put the landmine on the track. How could a driver agree to that? He built to drive on his own. What? Yeah, no, new technology nowadays. Anyways, we must go up to him. They got permission from the fat controller. And then they saw it, and then he took it. You put the landmine in. You put the landmine on the track. You derailed him, and now he's being repaired. You did that to Tim, and now he's in the wood being repaired. You did that. Well, it's true. He admitted to it. But then something happened. What's going on? Help me! Help! Cinder and Axis, are you doing it? No! He was telling the truth. It turned out that there was a flaw in his system. One of his systems broke. He can drive on his own, so there was no one to stop him. Come on, we need to get after him. Da 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 da. Da da da. Grab on! The sign, he broke through the sign. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Couple me. You see, American coupling were automatic. They tried to use that to couple him up, but it was harder because of the American coupling. Get off! I'm trying to. There's a lock on the track, and then it happened. The diesel engine derailed, went straight into the ocean. He saw what had happened. By the time they got him out, he would be on repair. And then he was sent back to America because he would be on repair. They had to slap him. Then Thomas rolled back Thomas headed back to the shed. Thomas rolled back to the shed, and then he said, "Okay, today was." He told to all of the endings. Okay, today was crazy. He told everything, and then Tim came, and then Tim asked Thomas, "What did I miss?" Thomas said, "A lot." Anyways,